Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the shorts and stopping any gestures that resume playback. Make sure auto-rotate is off and screen timeout is long enough. Once done, position the phone horizontally or vertically as you will watch, then select a small object, like the case lip or a sticky tab, to use as a remote pause trigger. You do this because shorts pause when a subtle touch or edge interference occurs. Preparing now avoids fidgety corrections later and gets you straight to the hands-off pause technique. You now place the object against the screen edge where the touch is registered but away from important UI controls. This uses a light, persistent contact to mimic a finger hold. Once the object is in position, tap the video to start playback, then let the object remain. The touch usually registers long enough to pause when the system detects interference or a secondary touch. Make sure to adjust pressure and position carefully, because too much force triggers other gestures or mispositions the frame. Finish by confirming the object holds the pause consistently. You do a few play-pause cycles to validate the setup. Once done, lock that minimal placement habit. Move slightly if the app interprets it as a swipe or navigation. If Shorts keeps resuming, make sure there are no accessibility touch features active, reduce contact pressure, or switch to a different edge point. And if none of that works, remove the object and try an alternative like a light adhesive tab. This usually fixes inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.